Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make WordPress website on GoDaddy. Alright, so now here we are in GoDaddy, and the first thing that you need to do, of course, is to go into your dashboard here in GoDaddy. So that would mean that you would need to log in first in order for you to get here. So once you're here, what you want to do is you want to tap or click here on this dots icon right here where you can see the hosting and WordPress, and this is where we will be setting up our WordPress website. So we're going to be clicking on this one, and then from here you would need a hosting plan right here in GoDaddy. So you would need to purchase something right here. So you want to click on this one right here because we don't have any plans as of the moment. And then you have the basic hosting right here. You can check the prices. This is around $2 and this one is around $5. So yeah, you can just check the pricing. If you're good with that, then you just basically need to choose one of these right here in order for you to start setting up your WordPress website here in GoDaddy. So let's say we just want this one right here. So let's just say this one, for example. And by the way, let's just go back, and you have a lot more options here. By the way, you can go for manage hosting, advanced hosting, and so on. So in case you don't know that, so let's just choose this right here, and then you can click on see plans and pricing, and then you can see more of it right here. So the price of this one would be this around $5, I think, and this one is around $8. So let's say we want this one, so you can click on buy right here, and basically all you have to do is just provide your payment information right here in order for you to officially purchase this plan right here for hosting in GoDaddy. And now once you have successfully purchased a hosting plan in GoDaddy, you should have something like this for your next step. So you would have 4 steps actually. Start, settings, contact, and theme. You would need to set this all up, and don't worry, you don't need any special instructions or guide for this one because it is very direct to the point. All you have to do is just provide your WordPress information right here for your website, and it should be set up in your GoDaddy hosting plan. So yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out in creating WordPress website on GoDaddy.